Today I got this new magic watercoloring book. Can you find me Paw Patrol Magic Water Book? Oh, it comes with a pen. I think it's a puzzle. Oh, here are the instructions. How to use water pen. And screw the bottle and fill water with. Then we color and then it magically disappears. Oh, I'm so happy to do this. And let's open it. This is the pen. Oh, looks like I have to fill water in the pen. I'll quickly go and fill the water. Oh, I'll color this one. It's my favorite character. Everest and sky. But I can't see Everest anywhere. Okay, let's color it. Almost done. It has become so colorful. Now we are done. Now let's do another one. Do you know this will be back to normal? Because I'm using water. It will be blank again. I am enjoying using this book. Even I am using water, it is so colorful. It's almost disappearing now.